Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. Let's get started. Go to Software, New, Solid, Part Modeling. Until this use default template, click OK. We are using mm as a unit. For that, choose mm template, mm Newton, part solid, absolute, click OK. Now we got the planes. Go to the model. Always create material addition features first. So I'm going to start with the circle of outer diameter of 280. So for that, go to Software. I'm taking front plane. Go to Sketch, Sketch View. Now go to Circle with center point and create a circle. Press roller to confirm. Now go to the model. Now the inner diameter is 194. They have mentioned here the outer diameter is 280. So go here, specify this as a 280. Press enter. Check the dimension again, 280. Now we are done. Just click OK. Now we have created this circle. That means the extrusion cross section we have created. Go to the model. The extrusion length is here they have specified as 225. Go here, go to extrude. This extrusion length is 225. Press enter. Change this into symmetric and click OK. Now we have created the inner cylinder. Then we just want to create this portion. So for that they have specified BCD of 350. From that the outer radius is 50. Just go to the model. Now just select the surface. Go to Sketch, Sketch View. Go to Reference. Take this as reference. Just close. Now take the circle and create one circle. Press the roller to confirm. Now this diameter they have specified as, they are given radius. Click here and specify. This radius is 50. Now go to the model. BCD means this circle radius diameter is 50. We just want to specify only the radius. For that, go here. This distance is 350 divided by 2. Now we have done. Then go to line. Just connect this line to here. Click here and click here. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. We don't want this inner edges. For this, go to delete segment. Delete it. Now we have created this. To avoid this, just extend this line to somewhat more and join here. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now this is a closed one. Just click OK. Go to extrude. Go to the model. Now thickness of this feature is 32. Here they have specified the thickness of this feature is 32. Go here. Just rotate your object which direction it is extruding. We need to change this direction. Thickness is 32. Press enter and click OK. Now we have created this feature, one single feature. This feature we have created. Similarly, we just want to make a pattern of here and here. So we can use the pattern tool to make it. Just go to the model. There is an option called pattern. Just click this pattern. This pattern tool option will come. Now go to here. There is a dimension, but we just want to make it as an axis pattern. Just click this axis. It will ask to specify the axis. Just click this axis. Now the first direction member is 4 it shows, but we want only 3. Just press enter. And this is we need not to specify. We just want to specify as an angular extent of 360. So now it has taken as 360 here and here it will generate. Just click OK. Now we have created this one. Similarly, we just want to go here. Similarly, we just want to create here also. The distance is, the total height is 225 as we know. So just go here, similar the pattern, take this one, go to pattern again. Now we just want to make a pattern of distance pattern. Just direction, first direction, just click here. Now it's specified as 6.65, but this direction spacing is 225. Just press enter. Now it's coming here, that means it's going here. The thickness will come that side because it starts from here. That means we need to reduce the thickness. That means 225 minus 32. Now it's coming correctly. See here, 225. So now this is the way it has to come. Just click OK. Now you see here, it has generated both sides with the correct view. Here it is, here it is. Now we have done. Just go here. Now this feature also we have done. Now we just want to make this feature. For this, go to the dimensions here. The outer circle diameter is 200 and the distance we just want to make it is 160. Here they have specified as 160. Just go here, select this front plane, go to sketch, select this plane and go to sketch, sketch view. Now just go, take the circle and make a circle. Press the roller to confirm. Now this diameter is 200. Press enter. Now just click OK. Now we just want to extrude this circle in this direction. Just go to extrude, change the direction to here. It's doing automatically a material removal, but just untick this material removal. The extrusion length is, go to the model, 160. Just make this into 160, press enter. Now we have created this, just click OK. Now go to the model. Now we have done all the material addition features. Now we just want to do material removal features. So start from here. So start from this circle, I'm going to do a material removal. This diameter is, you can start from here also. First finish this material removal from here. Of inner circle diameter is 100. That hole is a blind hole. Of length is, here they have specified as 25. So we have a circle with axis. Any axis if you have, we can use standard holes instead of using extrude. We can make it a hole by using extrude tool also. Now I'm going to use a hole tool. Just click this hole, click the surface and press the control and hold and click this axis. Now the diameter of this diameter is 100 and extrude length is 25. There is a two option, diameter and extrude length. Just diameter is 100, press enter, and extrude length is 25, press enter. Now we have done. Just click OK. Next, just go to the model. There is a one more hole with the diameter of 56 that has to be made throughout this hole, throughout this object. Just similarly, just go to hole, select this surface, press the control and hold and select this axis. This diameter is 56 and this has to be made through all. Just click OK. Now just go to the model. This hole also we have made. Now there is a one more hole with three holes of 24 mm diameter, 15 mm deep and 150 BCD. This circle BCD is 150. So for that, just go here, select this surface, go to sketch and sketch view. Here we just want to just make this circle as a reference. We will get a center point. Just close it. Now just make a circle with center point. Now go to the dimension again. 24 is the diameter, 15 mm deep and 150 BCD. So 150 BCD means this diameter is 150. We just want to specify only the radius here. 150 divided by 2. This is 150 divided by 2. This diameter is 24. Now we have done our circle. Just click OK. Go to extrude. We just want to remove material of 15 deep. Remove material. Click OK. Now we have completed one single hole. Now we have done hole here. Similarly, we just want to make hole here and here. For that we can use a tool called pattern, that is axis pattern. Just go to pattern, click here. So just here there is an axis. So now we just want to choose axis. Just click this axis. Now we just want to make 3 hole. There is a 3 holes with 360 degree. Just click OK. Now you can see we have created these 3 holes. Now here we just want to make a hole. This hole we just want to make. For that the diameter of this hole is 194. So just go here, just take this standard hole, select the surface and just rotate your object. There is an axis, press the Ctrl and hold, select this axis. This diameter is 194. Press enter. This is, just make it to 2 next. Just click OK. Now we have done. Just go to the model. This hole also we have done. Finally we just want to make hole here, here to both the side. This hole we just want to make of a diameter 47. Just go to the model. Just select the surface, sketch and sketch view. Go to reference, take this circle as a reference. Similarly here and here. Just close. Go to circle with center point, make a circle and make a circle with equal. Here it shows equal symbol, that means equal diameter. Similarly here also make a equal diameter and press the roller to confirm. Now go to the model. That diameter is 47. Go here. This diameter is 47. Press enter. Now created this hole. Click OK. The same hole we just want to remove throughout this. Go to extrude. Change the direction. Change to through all. Material removal. Click OK. Now we are done. Just hide your planes and axis. Change this into shaded with edges. Now we are completed. For better view or to change the color of our object, choose the color and apply to this color and click here. Now we have done our object. In this, we have completed this tutorial. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.